Hello, I'm Richard from Ideal Heating. I'm now going to show you how to reduce your boiler flow temperature. How efficiently your heating system is operating depends on a number of different factors, including your boiler, the thermostat and system controls, your home and how well it is insulated, and the size and design of your radiator system. If you have a combi boiler, one thing you can alter is the heating flow temperature. This is the temperature of the water that comes out of your boiler and flows around your radiators. Traditionally, heating systems were designed for a flow temperature of 80 degrees C. However, this was to ensure your house can be kept warm even when the outside temperature drops a few degrees below freezing. For most of the heating season, the boiler can be operated at a lower temperature and your house will remain warm. Reducing the flow temperature to a lower setting could make the boiler more efficient and will therefore reduce energy consumption and save you money. The best setting might take a bit of experimentation on your part. For modern condensing boilers, reducing the flow temperature down to 60 degrees C will make the boiler run in condensing mode and maximise its operating efficiency. However, turning the flow temperature down to 60 degrees C might mean that the radiators do not get hot enough to heat your house. We would recommend that you turn your flow temperature down to about 70 degrees C and then monitor how your heating runs over the next couple of days. If your rooms heat up to a temperature in an acceptable amount of time, then great. You might even want to try turning your flow temperature down a little bit more. If your rooms are taking a long time to warm up or they're not getting warm, then just tweak your flow temperature up a little bit until it's comfortable. Our different Ideal boilers all have slightly different user controls, but all have dials on the front. Look for the dial with the radiator symbol next to it, as this controls the temperature of the water going into your heating system. To adjust the flow temperature, simply turn the dial down and the number on the screen will show the flow temperature you are setting. On the new Logic Max 2 boilers, a green leaf symbol is shown when the boiler is operating most efficiently. We would suggest turning the flow temperature down to ensure that the green leaf is shown as much of the time as possible, whilst ensuring that your house reaches your desired level of comfort. An alternative to this method of experimenting with different flow temperatures is to fit an Ideal Halo control, which does this automatically for you. For more tips on running your boiler more efficiently, check out our other videos and FAQs.